Do you know that up to 75% of detoxification activity takes place in the liver, the human body's second largest organ? For the liver to convert toxic substances into forms able to be eliminated, it requires adequate nutrients to support the detoxification process. In today's video, we look at the top 15 foods that are good for the liver that prevent liver disease or stop it from growing into cirrhosis or cancer. So if you're ready, let's get into it. We begin with a drink that can help your liver as long as it's not a supplement. Number 15. Green tea reduces lipids in the liver. We've all heard of fatty liver, which is when fat accumulates in the liver due to the high consumption of foods high in sugar and simple carbohydrates. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, which regulate lipids in the body and improve liver health. In one study, patients who drank 5 to 10 cups of green tea per day had healthier blood markers in their liver. However, avoid green tea extract, as some studies suggest this supplement might harm the liver. Number 14. Crack walnuts for liver health. Compared to other nuts, walnuts have a higher amount of omega-3 fatty acids, L-arginine, and glutathione. Walnuts can improve cholesterol levels, and they provide antioxidants for the liver. Both help to prevent and reduce symptoms of fatty liver disease and cleanse the liver of ammonia. Number 13. You can never have too much garlic. Garlic contains a good deal of sulfur-containing compounds that activate the liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins from the body. This bulbous relative of the onion also contains allicin and selenium, two powerful nutrients proven to help protect the liver from toxic damage and aid it in the detoxification process. Stay tuned for a fruit that can flavor your dishes while also supporting your liver. Number 12. Grapefruit guards your liver. Grapefruit is rich in natural vitamin C and antioxidants, two powerful liver cleansers. Like garlic, grapefruit contains compounds that help produce liver detoxification enzymes. This citrus fruit contains two flavonoid compounds, naringin and naringenin, that help the liver burn fat rather than store it. In particular, it stops chemicals that oxidize in the liver, which prevents damage. Number 11. Artichokes are antioxidants. Artichokes are antioxidant champs that help neutralize inflammation-causing free radicals. These prickly leaves protect your liver from damage and promote the growth of new tissue. The cynarin, chlorogenic acid, and other compounds in artichokes increase bile secretion, which helps remove harmful toxins from your liver. If you want to live longer and healthier, eat more artichoke. Coming up, the best salad greens for your liver. Number 10. Cut fat with a spinach salad. Leafy greens, like spinach, have a high amount of vitamin E, which is essential for liver health. Researchers discovered that vitamin E can reduce the amount of harmful fat in the liver. Bitter greens like arugula, dandelion, endive, collard greens, and watercress stimulate bile secretion to clean the liver and promote efficient digestion. Add legumes like beans, lentils, and peas. These high-protein, high-fiber foods have a positive effect on the liver. Number 9. Enjoy avocado in moderation. Like olive oil, avocado boasts healthy monounsaturated fats. This popular fruit is rich in glutathione-producing compounds and actively promotes liver health. It does this by protecting the liver against toxic overload and boosting its cleansing power. Some research has shown that eating 1 or 2 avocados a week for as little as 30 days can repair a damaged liver. Number 8. Eat turmeric and your liver will thank you. Turmeric, through its active compound curcumin, is one of the most powerful foods for supporting a healthy liver. In studies involving non-alcoholic fatty liver disease patients, taking 2 grams of turmeric every day for 8 weeks has been shown to reduce ALT and AST enzymes, which would otherwise damage the liver. Curcumin actively protects the liver against toxic damage and even regenerates damaged liver cells. Number 7. Cook with cold-pressed oils. Organic cold-pressed virgin oils such as coconut, olive oil, flaxseed, or hemp seed oils stop harmful chemicals and release antioxidants, which lower the inflammation in the liver. When used in moderation, they help the body produce a lipid base that can suck up harmful toxins. By adding these healthy fats into your diet, you can take some of the burden off your liver and give it a break from processing so many toxins every day. Coming up next, this is the best juice for liver cleansing. Number 6. Nothing beats beetroot. Drinking beetroot juice is the perfect way to help you stay healthy and energized. It helps activate liver enzymes, which increase bile production and help the liver detoxify harmful substances. It also contains betalains that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, as well as protect against liver damage. Number 5. Order a side of broccoli. Eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale will reduce inflammation and help flush out toxins. These vegetables are a major source of glutathione, an antioxidant that triggers toxin-cleansing enzymes. Cruciferous vegetables also contain a cancer-fighting compound called indole. Researchers found indole may also prevent fatty liver disease and reduce the symptoms. Number 4. Switch from white bread to whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, teff, oats, rye, and barley are excellent sources of nutrients. They're rich in B vitamins, which help with fat metabolism and remove liver congestion. The nutrients in whole grains stabilize inflammation and insulin. So if you want to feel more energized all day long and avoid liver disease, eat healthy whole grains instead. Number 3. Juice a lemon for your liver. If you're looking for a refreshing drink to start your day, look no further. Drinking freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice mixed in water in the morning will help stimulate your liver. These citrus fruits contain high amounts of vitamin C, pectin, calcium, and B vitamins, which help to lower inflammation and make it easier for the liver to get rid of toxins. Number 2. Milk thistle is famous for treating liver problems. Milk thistle has been used to protect the liver as far back as ancient Greece. An active compound in milk thistle, called silymarin, may help the liver make more protein and DNA. Studies show milk thistle is effective in treating alcoholic liver disease, hepatitis, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It can also act as an anti-inflammatory agent to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. Coming up, a surprising benefit of your morning coffee. Number 1. Wake up and smell the coffee. This caffeinated beverage contains a mix of anti-inflammatory and bioactive antioxidant compounds that are beneficial for the liver. Studies have found that people who drink coffee regularly are less likely to have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, liver fibrosis, liver cirrhosis, complications from chronic hepatitis C, and liver cancer. Drinking coffee has also been shown to improve liver enzyme profiles and slow the progress of cirrhosis. There you have it, the top 15 foods that support liver detoxification. Don't forget to drink plenty of water and exercise regularly to flush out toxins. To support and protect your liver, get our free anti-inflammatory diet meal plan by clicking the link below. Studies have shown that an anti-inflammatory diet can help balance liver enzymes, reduce body fat, and lower the risks for fatty liver disease. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you never miss a video. And now over to you. Which are your favorite foods to support your liver? Leave your comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Click the link below to get our free anti-inflammatory diet meal plan.